In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email in Asana 2025. Step by step. We'll walk through updating your Asana login email, verifying it, and safely removing the old one so your account notifications go to the right place. Keep your current email accessible until the process is complete, because you may receive confirmation messages at both addresses. Start by opening Asana on your desktop. In the top right corner, click your profile photo to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. Inside the Settings window, switch to the Account tab. This is where Asana keeps your personal details and where you'll manage emails linked to your profile. Next, in the email section, click Add New Email. Type in the new email address you want to use, then select Add or Continue. For security, Asana will ask you to confirm your identity, so be ready to enter your current account password. After that, click Send Verification Email. This tells Asana to send a confirmation link to the new address you just added. Now go to the inbox of your new email. Look for a message from Asana with a verification link or button. If you don't see it within a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folder and make sure you're looking at the exact address you entered. Open the message and click the verification link to confirm that the new email belongs to you. If the link has expired, just return to Asana and send a fresh verification email. Once the new address is verified, head back to Asana's settings on the Account tab. You should now see both the old and new addresses listed. Find the old email and click Remove Email or Remove. Depending on your setup, Asana may prompt you to re-enter your password and, in some cases, confirm removal through a message sent to your old address. This is an extra security step to prevent accidental changes. After removal is completed, your new email becomes your primary contact in Asana, meaning all notifications, password resets, and account alerts will go there. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're signed into the correct Asana workspace if you use more than one. If you're part of a company-managed domain or single sign-on, your organization's admin might control email changes. Reach out to them if you don't see the option to add or remove an email. And finally, don't delete access to your old inbox until you've finished verification and removal. That's it. You've updated your email in Asana safely and completely.